Hello everyone, welcome back to Craftgenic. In this video, I'm going to make a Christmas tree decoration. I'm going to make this with glitter sheets and I'm using two colors here. First, we need to cut a square, dimensions as 9 centimeter. We need to cut 9 strips from this square, dimensions as 9 cm by 1 cm. And now I'm marking the center point of each strip. We need to repeat this step for both sides. And here I'm marking 1.5 cm distance from each edge. Now we can separate the strips and we are getting 9 strips here. Okay, now we can cut the edges as I'm doing here from both sides. And this is how it looks like after this step. We need to repeat this step for all the strips we cut. And we need to cut strips like this from both colors we selected. Okay, now we need a square dimensions as 5 cm, rectangle dimensions as 5 cm by 1 cm, and another rectangle dimensions as 10 cm by 1 cm. Paste the strip to the square as I'm doing here. This dimension is about 18 millimeters. So we need to cut 2 circles, diameter as 18 millimeter. Now we can paste the circles we cut like this. Okay, now we can paste the strips we cut. We are sharing many kinds of crafting tutorials in our YouTube channel. So, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for more videos like this. Okay, this is the last step. we can paste this. Hope you enjoyed our video. So give a like, comment and share with your friends. And also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for more videos like this.